What's up guys, it's Isaac here, and welcome back to my channel of Isaac's Productions, guys, right guys? But guys, we have an insane and extremely spooky video, guys. So I know you guys are gonna love this one, guys, because on tonight's video, we are gonna be spinning 2 fidget spinners at 5 a.m. and see what happens, guys. So for those who are new to the 5 a.m. challenge, it's the Angel's Hour, and good spirits happen, and they can do anything they want. So might as well just stay in quarantine and film this at 5 a.m. and see what happens, guys. So right now, as you can see, it says 5:24 right now, guys. Do you guys see it? Alright guys, so before this video starts, make sure you go on my channel and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on post notifications to be on the post notifications squad is key. And before the video starts, it's dance time! Okay, so now let's just stop dancing and look at the time, guys. Look, so it is 5:26 a.m. right now, guys. So that means it is morning, guys. So let's just start this video, guys. Alright, guys? And tell me on the comment section what you think is your favorite fidget spinner, guys. Because my favorite one is this one. The purple fidget spinner. The spider fidget spinner. Alright. Now, I'm going to put my phone on the table and the fidget spinners. And I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's do this. Alright, guys. So I'm going to leave my phone here. Alright, I'm going to leave my phone here. 5:27. Alright, guys. It's perfect, guys. So let's just start the fidget spinners. Let's go. Alright, guys. So they're spinning, guys. Come on. 5:27, guys. We still have enough time. Alright. Wait. What? Didn't this one was just going? It just stopped out of nowhere. It just appeared and stopped out of nowhere. But it's the Angel's Hour. Not just the Angel's Hour happens. Come on. Come on. Like this one's spinning, but like this one is spinning, but this one isn't. Oh my god, like this one is keeps on going, guys. Alright, guys. So let's hopefully we spin it fast, guys. Oh my gosh, it's almost stopping. Look at it. And it is 5:28 a.m. right now, guys. So it is not p.m. I was gonna say p.m., but it is a.m. Come on, which is morning. Oh my god, guys. Like this one is stopping already. Oh my gosh. Like every fidget spinner keeps on stopping. Oh my god. Now let's spin them again. Let's go. Alright, I hope they don't stop this time, because anything you do at 5 a.m., it turns out to be creepy. Come on. Okay. Wait, guys, this one is stopping and... Wait, did you guys see that? look, it was stopping and it started and I started spinning it again. But this one keeps on going. Like, I don't know what's wrong. Like, it says 5:30, guys. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, so it's just 5:30 right now, guys. So that means it is a time. We still have time, guys. Oh my god, like this one's about to stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, come on. Oh my god, like this one keeps on going. And this one, the green one, doesn't. Like, I don't know, like, what's wrong. Wait, why is my phone ringing? Wait. Oh my god! Sonic is calling me! Wait! How is he calling me? Let's answer it! Hello? Sonic? Wait, is this Sonic EXE? Yes. Wait. Is this Sonic EXE? I just said it was. Oh my gosh. But are you sure? I keep telling you I told you I'm Sonic EXE. Stop asking. Oh my gosh, jeez, I'm sorry, but I just want to make sure. Oh my god, are you grumpy? Yes. So why'd you call me? Goodbye. I'm coming for you. Sonic! I know your address. Let me hear my address. Oh my gosh, guys. He actually knows my address, guys. I put my sound on mute so you guys don't hear it, guys. But look, it's already 5:32. How could this be happening? Because it's 5 a.m. already, guys. And anything you do at 5 a.m. it becomes scary, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Like he told me, I keep on telling him if he's Sonic EXE and he said yes. And then, I don't know, he sounds grumpy. Wait. Sonic EXE, is that you? Wait. Oh my god. Come on, guys, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I just heard someone down the hallway. Oh my god. Maybe he's in the bathroom. Come on. I think I just heard someone knocking. Maybe someone's pranking me. Come on, let's go. Go, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Actually, come on. Come on, come on. Hold on. Come on, let me just place the camera. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. So Sonic, I think that was Sonic EXE actually knocking on the door. Wait. Sonic EXE again? Oh my god, let me turn up the ringtone. Come on. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, let's just answer it. Come on. Hello? Hello? Sonic? Hello? Could someone answer me, whoever's calling me? Hello? Whoever this is. Come on. Oh my god, I'm just gonna hang up. Like, I don't want to be doing these things at 5 a.m. no more, guys. It turns out to be scary. Like, I'm not gonna contact him no more. I'm gonna turn off the phone all the way, and my phone my phone's not turning off too. Oh my gosh, guys, that's it. I'm gonna end the video right here, guys, right, guys? So make sure to give a big thumbs up if you like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on the post notification for the future videos, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. This is so, oh my gosh. Come on, turn the lights.